I've been searching for hours for this fits, and if you guys are rooted and where it says play integrity, it's not working. Your ChatGPT is not loading because it's play integrity. Your device is rooted, and then it gets to that like sign out error or like try again, whatever, saying like won't load up, and it's not only log in and all that. This is the video, guys. This is working at least as of now, which is end of February of 2025. If you guys have any other solutions, let me know. I looked for hours and did not find anything besides this one solution that worked. And man, I'm so happy like it's working, because I use ChatGPT for a lot of things. I had the Plus plan, I pay for it. And first off, a lot of people can say just use the website. Well, use the website, which is great. But the only thing the big thing that I use with the website, with the app and the website that the website does not have, is the camera feature. So if you have the Plus plan, you get the share your screen and you get the camera feature. On the website version, at least for me, on my phone, I go to like the website version, I don't have those features. So that's like the big thing I pay. I literally pay for the Plus plan mainly just for the camera and the share your screen feature. Like that's literally what I pay for it. Like those features are so cool and like so helpful. Moving on. First off, I'm just gonna show this first part of the video. I spent hours. So you see, I actually got back in. I made this video, then like the sound like got glitchy, so it I had to I had to remake it, so it's fine. Yeah. So also you can see right here, like I eventually got back in. But at first, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. So we can actually delete this right here with the trash. Alrighty, guys. So you see right here, ChatGPT is working for me. I'm gonna test them saying hi. And I did notice like it does take like at first it was like a little slow, but it does respond, does work. Also, if you go over to like the bottom right, I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't want to mess up my audio again. If you don't see the camera feature, and if you only see like the audio feature, not the camera feature, and you have the Plus plan, then pretty much all you guys want to do is actually just close out the app, reopen it, and it should then pop up. Okay, so moving on, guys. Okay, so I want to give huge credits to let me go back to this guy. All right. Don't know why it does that. I don't know why it does that. I really do not know why it does that. Man. All right, let me find the guy. Hold on. All right, here we are. I just found the solution. So for codename TR, if you find right here, this is what I followed, and I followed everything I saw for hours, and this is the only thing that worked for me. So I'm gonna tell you exactly what I did, but you guys can follow this exactly what you see on the screen, and it should work for you guys. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. So first, install a module called Universal Safety Net Fits, and then also install Play Integrity Fits as well. So if you guys don't know how to install that, it's really easy. Just go to Google, you search for that up. So you search up on Google Safety Net Fits, and then you just go to the GitHub page and you install the zip file. Same thing for Play Integrity Fits. Search up Play Integrity Fits on Google, click on the GitHub page, and then go to install. You're gonna install the latest zip file for both, and then you only do it separately at a time. But then once you guys install those two, you go over to Magic. You go over to the bottom right module, and you click on, which I'll show you right now. So you go over to Magic. You go over to the bottom right module, and you click on install from storage, and then you just click on the zip file. And then for both, you have to do both at a time. One separately at a time. So when you install one of them, it's gonna have you reboot, make sure it installs properly and successfully. Then it's gonna say reboot, and then when you reboot, do the same thing for the other one. And then once you reboot again, you should have both of them installed. You can see them both here. So for me, it's Play Integrity Fits. Also, if you need to update it, make sure you guys update Play Integrity Fits and Safety Net as well. Make sure you're on the latest version. So Play Integrity Fits, make sure it's turned on as well. So it's on for me, and then Universal Safety Net Fits is also turned on for me. Sorry if I'm singing fast, guys. I've recorded you like 4 times, and it just I'm trying to be done with this video. I got stuff to do. All right. So once you guys do that, you then actually want to go over to the Magic, and you want to go over to for me it's in settings. It might be somewhere else for you, but for settings, you want to make sure the enforce deny list is turned on, and then tap on configure deny list. So what you guys want to do is give this like a little time to load. I do have like 700 apps, so yeah. But so yeah, it didn't take too long. But once it loads up, you just want to go over and turn on for ChatGPT. Make sure everything's turned on for ChatGPT, and make sure everything's turned on for Google Play Store and for Google Play Services. If you don't see Google Play Services or Play Store, whatever, if you don't see it and you search it up and it's not there, just click on the top right and then click on Show System Apps, and then it should pop up. So once all those things are turned on, you're good. So then it does say for here, then you install ChatGPT, but I never, I had installed the whole time. But what I did was then after I did that, I cleared cache for ChatGPT. I cleared cache and data for ChatGPT, Google Play Store, and Google Play Services. And after that, it says to like restart your device, but I didn't restart my device because I rebooted like a couple minutes before them because I installed Safety Net, which I didn't have already at that point. But yeah, so I didn't reboot or restart my device. I did a couple minutes prior when I installed Safety Net. But yeah, then I just pretty much load up ChatGPT. And then I'm not sure, again, like this is the steps I followed that worked for me. It's something might work for you differently, like along these steps. But I went to ChatGPT. I then clicked on login. Don't click on login with Google. Click on login. All right. And once you click on login, it'll bring you to like your web browser, and then from there click on sign in with Google, and then sign in with your Google account, and then you should be good. That's what I did. But that worked for me. One more thing, guys, if you are on the ChatGPT and if it's saying, when you first load up saying like can't complete this request, whatever it says, and it says try again, or it says sign out, and if you try again, it just loads right back to the same error. So if you're on that glitch screen, you clear data and all that, and it's like still that same screen, and you click on like sign out, and when you click on sign out, if like it doesn't work, like you're clicking on it, but you just still stay stuck at that screen, I'm gonna show you a fix for that as well, guys. This is actually I found myself. So to fix that, what you guys want to do is delete ChatGPT and then head over to APK Peer website. All right, and once you're here, just search up APK Peer on Google or APK Peer ChatGPT on Google, however you do it. And then if you're on the APK Peer website, you go to search on top right and search up for ChatGPT. And then when you guys get to the screen, well, you're gonna first see a screen with ChatGPT, and you're gonna say older versions like right below ChatGPT. Click on that. Sorry, my dog dropped something. she dropped her bone. All right, so click on older versions, and then pretty much what we want to do is then scroll down, and then click on like show more. And the version you guys, stop dropping your toy. All right, the version you guys want is the one from December 21st. My apologies. The one you guys want, the one I installed is from December 14th. The 1.2024.345. That's what I installed. You could install a different version, like, around that time, or, again, like, this is what worked for me. So, like, if you install the latest version of ChatGPT on the Google Play Store, and it's working, like, it lets you, like, actually, go back to the screen where you can sign in, then stick with that, obviously. But this is what I did again. So that's really it. And I hope these steps helped you. And yeah, I mean, I use ChatGPT every day. Well, most of the days, and I pay for it, so I obviously want to work in. And yeah, I mean, it works no worse. If you can't get it working, just use the website version. And then for the camera feature, you could just use Gemini, and that's also free. So you do have alternatives that way. But I hope this video helped you. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.